Ancelotti, especially after the Champions League exit. He picked up against Arsenal. 1,000 minutes this season. There's Lamine with that blonde hairdo. Makes commentator's job a little bit easier. That one out wide. Once again, Lamine. Touch lets him down for once. He's got Koundé in. Here's Lamine Yamal looking to test Fran Garcia straight away and getting the better of him. Here's Lamine. Oh, nutmeg. Just 17 years old, Bilbao. Much allowing Fran Garcia to recover the break. It's an absolute mugging from Rudiger. The referee's given the advantage in the Bernabeu. 5-2 to Barca in Jeddah. And in the end, runs down a dead end there. And here's Lamine. It's past one challenge. Asking for the yellow card. And you can see why. 14 goals, 18 assists in for Lamine. Problems for Fran Garcia once again. This time he cuts in, looks to shoot, and just wide of the post. Was that a shot? Was that a cross? Drilled in low. Saw the decision of that Real Madrid TV video yesterday. Hasn't made any easier for the referee. Looks as if Rudiger got away with that cynical challenge. De Jong. So Barca's got a lot of goals on their way to this cup final. It was 4-4 in Montjuic and 1-0 in Madrid. Well done, the Lamine Yamal recovery. Vinicius still thinks he should have. I think he fancies his chances against Fran Garcia. He's pulled that one back. Pedri! Oh my word! What a goal from Pedri! Absolute screamer. Barcelona take the lead in the Copa del Rey final. Combination between Lamine Yamal and Pedri. To Real Madrid attack here with Vinicius looking to turn Lamine Yamal, slipping at the wrong moment, and Lamine looks as if he's going to get away, and that's Lamine Yamal. There's nothing there, is there? Well, hang on, yeah, he does catch him across. Don't think he catches him quite that badly. And Lamine Yamal, Koundé making space on the overlap, and it does go to the Frenchman. Lamine once again hits that accelerator. It's another one I think you want to have a look at. Anyhow, I think Lamine Yamal says, let's just keep this. First half, the Brazilian, but he's got that ball across to Lamine Yamal, who, once again, is giving Fran Garcia, obviously, substitute for Ferland here in Sevilla for the second half of our Copa del Rey final. Barca looking for Lamine Yamal with his brand new hairdo. The jury's out, I think, on that area, and a few more in the Real Madrid area. No, and I think he knows it. Going to be honest. So just one substitution left for Madrid. I mean, they've still got a decent chance of a double, which for most clubs wouldn't be a bad season. Lamine Yamal. Vinicius helping to defend against him. Once again, he fancies his chances, doesn't he, against Fran Garcia. Once again, now it's Madrid winning every ball. Lamine Yamal. Faded in the second half, Barcelona. They're from Rafinha. Three players round Lamine Yamal. Loses out now to Koundé. Lamine Yamal. Good recovery from Barca. Cup tie. Out wide to Lamine. Goes for goal, and Courtois. going. Great save from Courtois to the goal, but he couldn't do a lot about it. Says Frankie de Jong, and here's Lamine. Spreads it across. That's a great ball from Vinicius. Sorry, from Lamine, and that is the equaliser from absolutely nowhere. Lamine Yamal. Still for Pedri, here's Lamine. Still Lamine Yamal, straight. Barcelona just keeping Madrid under pressure. Looking to turn. Lamine Yamal. Good challenge to Lamine Yamal. Down the channel. It's a nice ball. Once again out to Lamine Yamal. Fermin, Ibrahim, just a little tap there from Lamine Yamal. Once again, Lamine Yamal. It's a bit of a nothing. When Spain recently won the Nations League quarter-final against the Netherlands. Mallorca in the shootout. Move. Lamine Yamal forces another throw. And Lamine Yamal's done really well there. Still not sure about those. I'm even less sure about the sunglasses, to be honest. That looks like a boy. Lamine Yamal. So good he was.